Hello everyone. Today we shall be learning how to use the Puppet Wrap tool in Adobe Illustrator CC 2019. Along with Puppet Wrap tool, we'll be learning the freeform gradient, layers, animation, and the wrap tool. I'm going to create a background which would be, say, black in color. And I'm going to lock this layer by going to Object Lock Selection. Now I can't move this layer. I'll be taking an elliptical tool, the ellipse tool. I'll make it elongated a bit and I'll let it be in white in color. Now I'll take the wrap tool and I'll try to give it a shape. You guess what's the shape? Alright, so since I've got the shape ready, I'll be applying a gradient to this, and the gradient would be free-form gradient, in which I shall have the option of applying different colors of my choice. And I'm going to choose grayscale mode for applying colors to this. Alright, now I'm going to choose the Puppet Wrap tool. First of all, I'll have to select this object and apply the Puppet Wrap tool. It has taken the points where we need to animate this object. So I can add additional points for animation or for changing the shape of the object. I'll go and reduce the size of the brush for doing minute work. I can again go and see where all the points are. This looks awesome. It looks so realistic. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'll go to layers and create a duplicate layer. Put out the previous layer and try to give it a motion. Duplicate this layer. Put off the previous layer. Duplicate the layer. Turn off the previous layer. I can simultaneously give motion to the other points. So I have a couple of layers here. So let's go ahead and export this animation. We will turn on all the layers. Go to File, Export as SWF format, that's shockwave format. Save it as Fish Puppet Wrap SWF. Export. Keep the looping on We'll export it as Adobe Illustrator layers to SWF frames, and I say OK. Let's go and see what does the animation look like. So that's animation in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you like this. Try it once. If you have any queries, you can always send me a comment.